Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Hello guys, so for those who don't know me and this is your first time watching this video, by the way, I'm Cecil Oliver. And this is Victoria Elise Oliver na ginagala yung camera ko. For this day, this is going to be an unboxing and a review of my new ring light. So stay tuned, here it is. This is the ZOMEI 18-inch ring light, dimmable, LED with stand, cell phone, spring clip holder, good for beauty, facial, makeup, and live streaming. So this is, I got this from Amazon, and it's really difficult to find the store that ships here in Surrey because most of them says that it doesn't ship here. Oh my goodness, so I paid a total of $151 for this one, and Victoria is so excited to open it, so let's get it on. So here you go. After opening the box, you get a bag. Am I destroying the product already? So this is, so we have 3 items. This one, okay, and mommy will open the bag. So I got this adapter and the wires. So it's an AC adapter.
Wow!
Whatever. And
Mommy, what's inside my box?
oh, you opened the box. That's good. Okay,
Mommy.
like this. Okay. Wow, it's the stand, baby. The stand.
Oh.
Okay, is it heavy?
Another one.
It's inside of plastic.
It's
So,
another one.
oh my gosh, it's so cute.
It's
Look at
another.
this. It's all in a bubble wrap, so it's really safe.
Mommy.
And inside the bag, you get, it has mini pocket inside the bag, which is so cute. You get this one, a little pouch, the manual, and what? This one. It's like a another flyer. Baby girl, what's that? It's the stand. So inside the pouch, you get like the cell phone mount and the screws, and of course like the gel. So I finally figured it out, and we're going to put these phone holder with this one. Go to the bed. Go.
What?
Oh my god! Look at this. So, I'm gonna try to put my other phone here, and look at this beautiful lighting. Oh my god. Pack. And I'm gonna show you how the video works, or like the lighting works when you put it in full and then you adjust it like that. Uh-oh. So pretty. Let's see how it works with a warm light. Wow, it still looks pretty. I look like a drag queen, but I'm living for this. This is the warm light. It's just cute. Really, really cute. And let's take this off. I don't know if it's safe, but I'm just going to get it when it's turned on. Safe. It's safe. It's so good.
Mommy,
So for
in the potty?
yeah. So I think for me, even if it's the first time that I'm gonna use, finally, wala nang maingay, wala nang disturbo. So I'm giving you my thoughts and opinion by purchasing the ZOMEI 18-inch ring light. I think I find it very great. I had a great deal because I paid like $151, which is way cheaper than other brands. And at the same time, it comes along with a lot of things like the tripod stand,
Mommy,
which can be used for yun na, okay? So which can be used for like camera when you're not using your ring light, and it's very sturdy. And at the same time, the ring light itself is really great. Aside from it's like 18-inch, which can be used for like makeup, streaming, and of course, since I'm gonna be taking an eyelash extension class, I'm gonna be using this one when doing the lashes, which is great deal for me. So it's like all in one, aside from filming and stuff. It's also cute because it comes with a lot of stuff.
like this tools right here, which I'm not familiar should be used for, but I'll figure it out soon. And you can put all the bolts and the screws that you don't use it, put it here, or even the adapter when you're done using.
It also comes in this carrying bag, which you can bring when you go out, when you do makeup for your clients or mobile service, or you can just put it here and store it here and put it in a safe place. But final thoughts, it's really good, and I'll put the link down below where you can purchase it or where I got it. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click the subscribe button and bell button if you want to be updated for my next videos. And of course, please follow me on social media, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!